Hello, this is part of my best fight series. This is The Quick and the Dead. I really love this movie. It's a wonderful western and a shootout movie. This is the rain fight scene. Let's go. Sharon Stone gonna be the gunfighter here. This little girl was just taken advantage of, is what I'll say, upstairs. And that's the barkeep's daughter.
Yeah,
He's taunting him right here.
that little girl is gonna be a real good one.
Say it's gonna be a good whore one day. Right in front of him. This lets his gun, like, please, try it, motherfucker. Do it. Always hated that scene. But that's fear. That's fear. That everyone I know is like, I would do something. That's fear. That's Hanlon's right hand man.
Wriggle like a fish.
Fuck him up, please.
Get up!
There's no time in history where that's been acceptable. Let's go. Right now, outside. Man, this is so good. Shot him in the balls.
Please don't kill me, no, please.
You should. You should do it. And look at him beg for mercy.
Please, John.
To some of you watching out here, don't.
Finish him off!
No.
He's right. Finish him off.
This contest is not over until one of you are dead!
Please don't kill me. Please, no, please.
I'm sure that little girl was begging for mercy too. Just put her down, man. Put him down like the animal he is. You don't feel bad for a dog that has rabies. Put him down. That man has a disease in his head like rabies. Put him down.
Drink.
Thank you.
Oh! It's not over till it's over. Like I said, fight's not over. Put that animal down.
Oh, teeth. I want some teeth for a goal.
Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. After they kill whoever dies in the gunfight, they rob them. That's just what they do. Thanks for watching the best fight scene. Like, I remember seeing this scene when they shot him in the balls. I was like, that's right. That's right. Can't use that shit no more. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.